Kelvin on his deforestation grind.
I know. I told him to clear 20 meters. He's taking it hard. And then sleep. I don't really need to sleep. I was fucking hyped off of energy drinks.
Why?
Enemies are nearby, not safe enough to sleep.
Oh.
We're getting raided.
To the walkout tower!
That's a half log. Oh!
My bad. He's right there behind you.
Bro! He cut his arm off?
I don't know what it is.
Okay, again.
Oh,
Bro's cooked. Bro's cooked.
There was one more. There he is, he's sneaking up. Still thinks he's Timothy. Yeah.
Here, motherfucker. Here.
You're on fire, little bro.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Water, 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 water.
There was a fire trail behind him. At the storage, they'll go in. Yeah. What is that?
What is what?
Do you not hear that? Like a helicopter.
A helicopter. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit.
What? Oh. Oh, Kelvin's
Yes.
still jogging around.
Yes!
Oh.
Hey! Hey! Land!
Ain't no way.
Shit. Oh, they just straight up dipping.
Oh. What?
Fuck.
Bro, did they not look?
Is that a Wiimote? Oh my god, we got the whip.
Yo, what are those purple things on the map?
Dude, get in. What are the purple things? It's the last known locations of, of people.
How to... There.
Dude,
oh,
we
that's
got...
blue, bro.
We
Yes,
got
sir.
the whip.
You got infinite fuel or no?
No, it's a battery.
Oh. How do you charge it?
I have no idea.
Sheesh, bring it back home. Oh,
Damn, this thing's
this thing got power.
not easy to drive.
Where's home?
Oh!
I feel like we're not going towards it.
Home is the helicopter. We don't... Why bring this home?
Oh wait, what are those? There's two more orange things? There's more whips.
This is...
Not a whip. This is... Oh. That's important though. How do I get it? Oh, G.
G is the exit. I got a GPS locator.
Gordon. Yeah, I don't care. You got money for me?
Oh, I mean... Yeah, there's a cave here. We mentioned wanting to... Oh my god, it is so dark. Holy shit, Julian. This thing is darker than a... I found a skin pouch. There's a skin pouch on the ground right here.
Oh, nice. Can I pick that up?
A note. Oh, a blueprint. Oh, blueprint!
Oh, yes, sir. What's that for? Oh, that's for the glider? Is that what that is?
You think so? Raft out in the middle of nowhere. Gonna whip this hoe!
Oh.
Can you turn on the radio? Can we...
Have we moved?
Yeah. I got it stuck on a rock. This thing gets stuck really easily.
Oh, wait, is that
Hello
Kelvin?
there.
Elvin, go home! Fucking stay. No,
I need a
maintain
meal
base.
pack.
Maintain base. Go.
Yo! Oh my god, there is a shark. I just got attacked by something in the water.
That goddamn gun better be here. Yeah, there is a shark, Julian. Yes, I got the gun. I got the gun.
Where is it? Oh, here.
On the magazine.
You're...
Okay, I will
Fine,
be...
something.
I will be 1 second. Problem solved.
That's crazy.
Bro,
Think
this
you
is
can
some
put a
riveting
turbo in this
speed
thing?
you're getting.
Did he just... he just fell apart.
Please! Line him up and knock him down. Sacrifice?
Oh,
Damn,
he tanks
who didn't
that.
even flinch?
Oh.
Dude, what? Why is he so tall? Wait a minute.
Oh, some of them are really big. How's he still breathing? He's still
He ain't breathing no more.
Stop breathing.
Think.
Yo.
Yo, man! Are, like, as long as its wheels are...
Okay. Oh, that's crazy.
Bro, we're
It's
cooked.
stuck like that. Like, they stand on it. Wait, just cut down the tree.
He's cutting so high.
Great.
Here we go.
Sir.
Dude, there's some massive fucking... The Jabba the Hutt's in there.
God. Think you got any bounties for us?
Jabba the Hutt is in there and I don't like it. Oh my god, Julian, a stun gun!
Oh. This must be one of the bunkers then. No?
I think that is yes, but I don't know if we can get in
Yeah.
there.
Over. Yo,
Oh, what is he? He's gonna... Ooh! He's gonna fucking bolt loader!
No.
Pull the gat, pull the gat, pull the gat, pull the gat. Where's the gat? That was cool.
Kelvin's doing nothing. They're climbing our tree. Yo!
Literally 2 sticks. Oh. I think some of the meat is raw.